In this video, we'll be breaking down Psalm 51, what it says, and how it applies to your life today. Psalm 51 is a heartfelt prayer of repentance written by King David after his sin with Bathsheba was exposed by the prophet Nathan. It's a powerful chapter that shows us the depth of God's mercy and the beauty of a repentant heart. Let's explore its timeless message. The psalm begins with this plea: "Have mercy on me, O God, according to your unfailing love. According to your great compassion, blot out my transgressions." David opens with a cry for mercy, acknowledging God's unfailing love and compassion. He knows he's sinned, and that only God's grace can wash him clean. This verse reminds us that no sin is too great for God's forgiveness. In verse 2, David prays, "Wash away all my iniquity and cleanse me from my sin." David uses the imagery of washing and cleansing to express his desire for spiritual renewal. Sin can weigh us down, but God's forgiveness has the power to make us new again. Verse 10 is one of the most well-known parts of this psalm. "Create in me a pure heart, O God, and renew a steadfast spirit within me." Here, David asks God not just for forgiveness, but for transformation. He recognizes that he needs a pure heart and a steadfast spirit to live a life that honors God. It's a reminder that true repentance leads to change. In verse 12, David prays, "Restore to me the joy of your salvation, and grant me a willing spirit to sustain me." Sin often robs us of joy and peace. David longs to experience the joy of salvation once again, and asks for a willing spirit to keep him faithful to God. This verse is a powerful encouragement for anyone who feels distant from God. He is always ready to restore us. Verse 13 shows David's desire to use his experience to help others. "Then I will teach transgressors your ways, so that sinners will turn back to you." David understands that his testimony of God's grace can inspire others to seek forgiveness and turn to him. This verse encourages us to share our stories of redemption to help others find hope in God. In verses 16 and 17, David writes, "You do not delight in sacrifice, or I would bring it. You do not take pleasure in burnt offerings. My sacrifice, O God, is a broken spirit. A broken and contrite heart, you, God, will not despise." David realizes that God values genuine repentance over empty rituals. It's not about what we can offer, but about coming to God with humility and a sincere heart. Psalm 51 is a powerful reminder that no matter how far we've fallen, God's mercy is greater. When we come to Him with a repentant heart, He is faithful to forgive, restore, and transform us. Whether you're seeking forgiveness, renewal, or simply a closer relationship with God, Psalm 51 speaks to the heart of what it means to rely on His grace. Come to Him with a humble spirit, and He will create in you a pure heart and restore your joy. There you have it, Psalm 51 explained. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video encouraged you today. Be sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a new video.